The first thing you need is an electric kettle. But today I'm going to use this lovely red kettle. The reason is that I can't find my power cable. But don't ever use fucking microwave, okay? This is not a microwave, but just don't. It's like eating sushi with ketchup. Anyone who uses a microwave is a wanker. Remember this word, wanker, okay? Then, just put boiling water in a teacup, okay? Alright. Okay. Then you add some milk. This is very important. We Brits drink tea with milk. If you don't want to be wanker, just add some milk, okay? Just like this. Woo! Woo! And, just enjoy your tea. Brilliant! Absolutely fantastic!